Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, class. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Arushi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, how was Raksha Bandhan? Class
Ma'am, good.
was good.
It was nice.
So, what all gifts the sisters have got from their brothers?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Divyansh. Yati. Yati, close your camera. Close yourself. Mute yourself. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
All the sisters out there enjoyed your Raksha Bandhan?
Yes, ma'am.
And about the boys,
Yes.
pockets are completely loose now, no? No money left? Boys? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, I only have 3 sisters. Ma'am, I am wondering those who have ma'am 10 or 15 sisters, ma'am, उनकी तो पूरी ma'am pocket ही एकदम खाली हो जाती है.
I know. Sure.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Arushi.
Ma'am, I had a doubt in the history chapter.
Yes, beta, please ask.
Ma'am, on page number 32, in the second last paragraph, there is a line given. They pooled their land together periodically and their commune divided it according to the needs of individual families.
Okay,
I can't understand.
Acha, what is pooling, you know?
Good morning,
No.
ma'am.
Okay, like 5 friends together, they want to go for a, they want to enjoy, say, for example, burgers. So they pool money. Pooling money means collecting, bringing together, right? All those 5 or 6 friends, those who want to enjoy pizza or whatever, right? So what do? Everyone pools the money. Like Arushi, Shreya, Prashasti, Purvi, Anvesha. You decide, and Ahana, you decide to go for a Domino's party, and you people know that your pocket allows only 1 burger per person, right? And good morning, beta. And all of you don't have sufficient money. So what you will do, all 5, 6 of you will pool money. If you have 50 rupees, you will give that. If Shreya has 100 rupees, she will give that. If Prashasti has, more than that or less than that, she will also pool in the same money. You will collect all the money. इसका मतलब आपने पूल इन करे पैसे, ठीक है? और फिर आप इकट्ठे जाओगे और फिर अपना जो भी आपका मन है वो खा के एंजॉय करके विद फ्रेंड्स आ जाओगे. तो यहाँ पे पूल करने का मतलब होता है इकट्ठे लेके आना. सारे लैंड को ये लोग एक साथ लेके आते थे, मतलब कलेक्टिवली एक लैंड एरिया मान लेते थे उसको, एक लार्ज एरिया, और जिन लोगों के वो लैंड्स होते थे वो सब मिलके उसको बारी बारी से जो है कल्टीवेट करते थे, राइट? और कल्टीवेट करने के बाद जो भी प्रॉफिट आता था वो इक्वली डिवाइड कर लेते थे.
Okay, ma'am.
यहाँ पे कम्यून जो है, यहाँ पे एक ग्रुप है, मीर जिसको हम बोलते हैं, ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, राइट? जो कि
Yes,
एक साथ लैंड को, मतलब पूल करने का बेसिकली मतलब होता है कि इकट्ठा लेके आना, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, ये इंग्लिश वगैरह में बहुत यूज होता है. आपने इंग्लिश के चैप्टर्स वगैरह पढ़े होंगे, उसमें काफी जो है यूजेज में आता है, एक फ्रेज की तरह यूज किया जाता है इसको, ठीक है? चलिए, एनीथिंग एल्स आरुषि क्लियर हुआ ना बेटा ये?
Yes, ma'am. Clear. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, can we have the cameras on class?
Ma'am,
Yes, Vyom.
are we having our half yearly from 10th September or anything?
बेटा आई रियली डोंट नो. उस दिन भी आपने कहा था, मेरे को बिल्कुल सच में नहीं पता है बेटा इस बारे में, है ना? तो मैंने आपको उस दिन भी कहा था, क्यों परेशान हो? जो भी होगा बेटा एक साथ ही होगा, सभी के साथ होगा, ठीक है? कैमराज ऑन एवरीवन. मौली, अंशिका.
Yes, ma'am, switch on.
हाँ, श्रेय, प्रखर, प्रद्युम्न, दिव्यांश, अभिश्री, प्रशस्ति, पूर्वी, उत्कर्ष, श्रेया, समृद्धि शुक्ला, अंशिका.
Ma'am, today I am from mobile. Ma'am.
1 second.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, actually my laptop is not charging, ma'am. So, ma'am.
Okay. How is Shri doing? Good?
Yes, ma'am.
कैमरा क्यों ऑफ हो जाता है भाई आप लोगों का?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, when Russia took part in First World War, ma'am, उनको थोड़ा नुकसान हुआ तो मैम फिर उन्होंने Second World War में क्यों पार्ट ली?
बेटा सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर का रीजन कुछ और था. फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर का रीजन तो जार की वजह से लिया गया था, है ना. और सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर में जर्मनी ने दोबारा से रशिया के फ्रंट्स को जो अटैक करा, पोलैंड वगैरह को अपने पास ले लिया. तो बहुत सारे रीजंस थे रशिया के सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर में पार्टिसिपेट करने के. बट फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर वाज फोर्स्ड ऑन द रशियंस. People were not interested because they were more concerned about the country, about their work, about their industries, about themselves. They were not interested in the world war at all. But because Tsar, he was the ruler at that time, and it was his initiative to be part of the first world war. People were not willing. हमने आपको अप्रैल थीसिस वाले में बताया ना कि किस तरीके से व्लादिमीर लेनिन जो थे, he completely appealed to the masses that let us not be part of the world war at all. So it was the king was interested. Not even a single person of Russia was interested in going for the world war, right?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But
Fine.
only Tsar was.
Only the king was interested. This is what I told you. Only the king was interested because it was. See, I'll tell you one thing. King wanted to show off his army. रशिया की आर्मी वर्ल्ड में लार्जेस्ट थी और स्टीम रोलर कहलाती थी. वो स्टीम रोलर इसलिए कहलाती थी बिकॉज इट हैड मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ सोल्जर्स. तो अब आप समझ लो कि अगर इतनी लार्ज आर्मी अगर किसी जगह पे जाएगी तो कितना क्विक मूव करेगी वो, इसीलिए उसको स्ट्रीम रोलर कहा जाता था. ठीक है. बेटा you are not very clear. I think if I'm not wrong, you are asking what is a stream roller, right? बेटा यही तो पूछ रहे हो आप हर्षित.
Yes, ma'am. He's saying.
हाँ वही. तो यही जो है आपका इसमें stream roller. Anybody in the class who would like to tell this, what is this stream roller? Anyone in the class? Yes, Anokhi.
And the steam roller is the machine that flattens roads. Like
Yes.
when the road is being made, it flattens the roads.
जिनको हम road rollers बोलते हैं, right?
Yes. Ma'am, road roller.
Yes, road rollers, right? ठीक है हर्षित, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, road over the road.
हाँ चलिए. Fine. So we were, I think I left you on October Revolution, right? The other day. Yes, Shivansh. Himanshu, if you could please open, all those who are there in the class, if it is very simple for you to open the camera, please open. I understand some people must be having issues, but not everyone is having issues, right? Yes. So we have to start from page 39. Yes, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubts, any problems up till this part, the revolution of October 1917? No, all clear and understood? Fine.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
No, ma'am, I was saying I don't have any doubt.
Okay. Now, see several things. Chat में कोई एक बच्चा मैसेज डाल के देखो. Let me see whether it is working or not. Chat.
Ma'am, it's disabled.
Ma'am, it is disabled.
Yes, ma'am, it is
ma'am,
disabled.
it is disabled.
Now,
Ma'am, now it's enabled.
Ma'am, you can enable it for everyone and host only.
now I could.
Ma'am, right now it's enabled for everyone.
ठीक है. Okay, fine. No issues there. But how come it is showing to everyone?
Ma'am, when I joined the meeting only, it was showing enabled for everyone.
Ma'am, at that time it was enabled, ma'am. Then you disabled
Now please check whether it is for
Ma'am,
everyone
now
or not.
only for the host.
Fine.
Ma'am, now only it's for you personal message.
Then it is okay. Chalo. Thank you. Okay, we all know that Yashika, have you taken entry in the class? Can you see Yashika in the class? No?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now I have taken it. See, we all know Bolsheviks. These Bolsheviks, they were completely against the private property, right? They always opposed private property, and most of the industries which were there after the October Revolution, most of the industries which were there, they were nationalized. All the banks were nationalized, and the land that was there with the people, it was declared as a social property. Why it was declared as a social property? Because maximum people in the country, they were agriculturalists. They were into agriculture, right? That is why it was declared as a social property, where the land was redistributed among the farmers, right? Now, most of the houses in the city which were there, they were partitioned in large houses which were there, like, a big bungalow kind of thing, a big bungalow where only 2 or 3 people were living. That house or bungalow was divided into parts, and only sufficient space was given to the 2-3 people to live, and rest of the area was redistributed among the ones who were in need of the shelter. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
And all the old aristocracy titles which were there, they all were taken away from the people, those who were there. New uniforms were designed for the army personals who were there. Then Bolshevik Party, it was renamed as the Russian Communist Party, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then in November 1917, Bolsheviks, those who were there, they conducted elections to the Constituent Assembly, but somehow they failed to get majority support, right? So again, in January 1918, the assembly which was there, they rejected Bolsheviks. They said that because you could not get majority, that is why your party will not be considered. And Lenin, okay, it is okay. What to do? Yashika is not able to join. She is getting, I don't know, I have taken her more than 6-7 times. I have admitted her, but still again she is showing admit again. Maybe some network issues from her side only. Now Vladimir Lenin, who was the leader of the Bolshevik Party, he dismissed the assembly, and in March 1918, Bolsheviks, they made peace with Germany. Why they made peace with Germany? Yes, anybody? Why they had to enter in a peace treaty with Germany? Was anything wrong between Germany and Russia?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
the
they did
Russians
not get
hated.
along
Yes,
well
ma'am,
together, Germany and
ma'am,
Russia.
their relationships were not good with each other.
That is because of the First World War. The Germans, those who were there,
Yes.
they had attacked the western front of the country, right, and captured Poland also, right? Fine. Now, these Bolsheviks, they made peace with Germany, and within few years, Bolsheviks became they were the only party to participate in the elections to the All Russian Congress of Soviets. So when they were the only party, ultimately they were to be in the power. So Russia became one party state. Russia became.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta Harshit.
I think, ma'am, many of the students want to enter in the meeting, ma'am, but they are not able to, ma'am.
No. Only Yashika is showing wo bar. I don't know. I have taken her. This is the 8th time I'm taking her in.
Oh, ma'am, there are many messages on the group actually.
Let me see. I have not checked. Are? They whenever they have such problems, they should refresh. Refresh. Because
error 104.103 is network.
yes, beta.
Ma'am, sometimes when ma'am I don't have good network, ma'am, then it's error.
उत्कर्ष आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आ रही बच्चा में. Now I think they are in. See, from their side only some connection problem is there. That is why it is not showing.
Ma'am, but how can it be, ma'am, possible, ma'am? Ma'am, many of the students are getting the same network issue.
एक बात सुनो, ये प्राची गंगवार का एक बार स्क्रीनशॉट चेक करो तो. I don't think if her net is on. Data is on.
Ma'am, it's on. Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा ठीक है, fine. चलो.
Good morning, ma'am.
Maybe from their side some connection issues are there. चलिए. So after making peace with Germany, slowly.
There are only 2 students. Ma'am, they are messaging again and again. Then ma'am, we have figured that there are many students, but only
Now the nobody is
they are
messaging.
followed.
Now I don't think if anybody is messaging. अब तक serious. चलिए. So Bolsheviks became the only party and Russia was declared as a one-party state, right? Now Russia, after becoming one-party state, all the trade unions were kept under the party control. Secret police, Cheka, OPGU, NKVD, these were all, made as the secret police. And then Bolsheviks, they punished all those who criticized Bolsheviks for whatever they were doing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, let us read this one, and then we'll go to the civil war. What is civil war? Do you know? Anybody in the class? What is a civil war?
The war that takes place.
A war inside a country.
A
Ma'am,
war
the war that takes place between the groups of people living inside a country.
Exactly. See, a war that takes place inside the country among the social groups which are there, right? Various social groups which are there. Chaliye. Can we have Ahana reading? What changed after October? Page 39.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. The Bolsheviks were totally opposed to private property. Most industry and banks were nationalized in November 1917. This meant that the government took over ownership and management. Land was declared social property and peasants were allowed to seize the land of the nobility. In cities, Bolsheviks enforced the partition of large houses according to family requirements. They banned the use of the old titles of aristocracy. To assert the change, new uniforms were designed for the army and officials. Following a clothing competition organized in 1918, when the Soviet hat Budinovka was chosen. Ma'am, the next paragraph as well.
No, let
The Bolshevik.
no, Ahana, wait. Let Samriddhi read the next
Ma'am,
paragraph.
may I read?
Jivyansh after Samriddhi, okay? Carry on.
The Bolshevik Party was renamed the Russian Communist Party, Bolshevik. In November 1917, the Bolsheviks conducted the elections to the Constituent Assembly, but they failed to gain majority support. In January 1918, the Assembly rejected Bolshevik measures and Lenin dismissed the Assembly. He thought that All Russian Congress of Soviets was more democratic than an assembly elected in uncertain conditions. In March 1918, despite opposition by their political allies, the Bolsheviks made peace with Germany at Brest-Litovsk. In the years that followed, the Bolsheviks became the only party to participate in the elections to the All-Russian Congress of Soviets, which became the parliament of the country. Russia became a one-party state. Trade unions were kept under party control. The secret police, called the
Wait,
Cheka
Samriddhi.
Force,
Samriddhi, wait. Any doubts up till here? All clear and understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After 20, Utkarsh is writing, after October 2020, coronavirus came. Chalo. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta Harshit.
Ma'am, in the second period, ma'am, Divya ma'am was telling that we will have our half yearly in next month.
देखो वैसे तो सितंबर में ही हमारी हाफ ईयरलीज होती है ना, लास्ट वीक
Yes,
ऑफ
ma'am.
सितंबर, लास्ट वीक ऑफ सितंबर. तो हो सकता है
Yes,
इस
ma'am.
बार, हो सकता है इस बार बिकॉज हमारी क्लासेस बहुत रेगुलर चल रही हैं, तो मे बी इन द थर्ड वीक दे डिक्लेयर. तो वो परेशान मत हो, अगर है मैम ने कहा है तो हम प्रिपेयर करेंगे अकॉर्डिंगली एंड आई विल गिव यू द सिलेबस, डोंट वरी. फाइन.
Ma'am, but ma'am, according to the CBSE, ma'am, online they, ma'am, in their side, ma'am, they told that we will have our exams in November last, and ma'am, they will end in December.
Beta,
starting
But that is
नहीं.
from one.
and ma'am,
Beta,
we
that
will
is
get
for
all-
beta, that is for class 10th and 12th. Harshit, that is for 10th and 12th. ठीक है.
but it was written that the periodics will be held in QT.
हाँ, पीरियोडिक्स और पीरियोडिक्स होंगे आपके, पीरियोडिक्स या यूटीज एक ही बात है, वो होंगे. बट जो टर्म 1 वाला कॉन्सेप्ट है बेटा, नवंबर दिसंबर वाला, दैट इज फॉर 10th एंड 12th. क्योंकि ये जो पीरियोडिक, ये जो आपका टर्म 1 वाला जो एग्जाम होगा, दैट विल हैव द क्वेश्चन पेपर्स फ्रॉम द बोर्ड. मतलब जैसे प्रॉपर बोर्ड का एग्जाम होता है, एग्जैक्टली उसी पैटर्न पे टर्म 1 फॉर 10th एंड 12th होगा. उसका आपसे 11th और 9th से कोई कंसर्न नहीं है. टर्म वाइज डिवाइड कर दिया है सिलेबस. जी बेटा जिव्यांश.
Ma'am, but Divya ma'am was saying that in September, ma'am, the half yearly will be conducted by the school, and ma'am, in November and December, the half yearly of MCQs will be term 1 will be conducted by CBSE.
Yes, that the papers will come from there. ठीक है. And what exact? Yes
we
बेटा.
have next month or ma'am half yearly?
बेटा देखो, चाहे हाफ ईयरलीज या पीरियोडिक्स या यूटीज या क्लास टेस्ट, व्हाटएवर इट इज, whatever it will be, you will be informed about that. But अभी आप ये मान के चलो कि because September में we always have half yearlies, तो हमारे half yearlies ही होंगे, ठीक है. और अगर if there is any change regarding the time period or the syllabus or the pattern, you will be informed accordingly. उसमें आप बिल्कुल परेशान मत हो उस चीज के लिए, ठीक है. जो जो चैप्टर्स जैसे जैसे हो रहे हैं उनको वैसे वैसे प्रिपेयर करते चलो आप.
That it will be held in the beginning of September.
बिगनिंग ऑफ सितंबर में कैसे हो सकते हैं बेटा? अभी नहीं हो सकते बिगनिंग ऑफ सितंबर में.
Ma'am, so most problem.
Divya ma'am, that half yearly start from.
Ma'am, Divya ma'am has said that from the second week of from 9th and 10th of September.
सेकंड, हमने यही तो बोला कि सेकंड या थर्ड वीक में हो सकते हैं. रीजन बीइंग हमारी क्लासेस रेगुलर चल रही हैं. इस बार तो कोई व्हाट्सएप का भी चक्कर नहीं है, डायरेक्टली जूम पे चल रही हैं, ठीक है ना. तो तभी यही चीज तभी हमने बोला बेटा या तो या थर्ड वीक या फोर्थ वीक. पर अगर मैम कह रहे हैं थर्ड वीक, सेकंड या थर्ड वीक, तो हो सकता है उसमें भी हो जाए, क्योंकि यू विल गेट सफिशिएंट हॉलीडेज आल्सो. नो 1 to 5 आपका छुट्टी होगा, राइट. तो 1 to 5 जो छुट्टी होगी उसमें आराम से हो जाएंगे, है ना जी.
Offline.
हाँ, एग्जाम बेटा ऑफलाइन नहीं होगी, ऑनलाइन नहीं होगी. ऑनलाइन एग्जाम बस एक होना था, वो हो गया. जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा, कंडीशंस क्या है. बट जो है कोशिश ये है कि इट शुड बी ऑफलाइन ओनली, नो ऑनलाइन एग्जाम्स नाउ.
Ma'am, why our classes are not being offline?
Because concern didn't come, no? Concern didn't come, that is why. Chalo. Can we have Divyansh reading now?
Yes, ma'am. The secret police called the Cheka first and later OGPU and NGVT punished those who criticized the Bolsheviks. Many young writers and artists rallied to the party because it stood for socialism and for change. After October 1917, this led to experiments in the arts and architecture, but many became disillusioned because of the censorship the party encouraged.
Party encouraged. Can we have this box also? Box 3. Divyansh.
Yes, ma'am. The October Revolution and the Russian countryside. Two views. News of the revolutionary uprising of October 25, 1917 reached the village the following day and was greeted with enthusiasm. To the peasants, it meant free land and end to the war. The day the news arrived, the landowner's manor house was looted. His stock farms were requisitioned.
Ma'am, which
And
paragraph
his
is
vast
reading? Can you
orchard.
please tell?
बेटा पौरुष क्या पूछ रहे हो बेटा आप?
Ma'am, I am asking ma'am which paragraph is he reading?
बेटा he is reading on page 40, box 3, the October Revolution in the Russian countryside. Two views. Fourth
Okay,
line.
ma'am.
And his vast. Ma'am, may I continue?
Yes, beta.
And his vast orchard was cut down and sold to the peasants for wood. All his far buildings were torn down and left in ruins, while the land was distributed among the peasants who were prepared to live the new Soviet life. From Fyodor Belov, The History of Soviet Collective Farm. Ma'am, next box also.
हाँ, carry on.
Ma'am, who was Fedor Belov?
Who were?
Ma'am,
Yes,
who
who are-
was Fedor Belov? Ma'am, the writer,
The one who has given this account. Right?
Okay.
Chalo. Beta Divyansh, carry on.
Yes, ma'am. A member of landowning family wrote to a relative about what happened at the estate. The coup happened quite painlessly, quietly, and peacefully. The first days were unbearable. Mikhail, ma'am, what is it written?
Mikhailovich. Mikhailovich. हाँ, Mikhailovich.
The estate owner was calm, The girls also. I must say the chairman behaves correctly and even politely. We were left 2 cows and 2 horses. The servants tell them all the time not to bother us. Let them live. We vouch for their safety and property. We want them treated as humanly as possible. There are rumors that several villages are trying to evict the communities and return the estate to Mikhailovich. I don't know if this will happen or if it's good for us, but we rejoice that there is a conscience in our people. From Serg Sherman, a choice of the native land to
echoes of a native land, 2 centuries of a Russian
2
village.
centuries of
मतलब
Russian
ये
villages.
एक्सट्रैक्ट्स है जहां जहां से लिए गए हैं, वो आपको बता रहे हैं कि किस तरीके से पीपल हैड डिफरेंट माइंडसेट, किस तरीके से इन वन इंस्टेंस कैसे पीपल वर हैप्पी, इट इज शोन पीपल वर हैप्पी. दूसरे इंस्टेंस में ये शो किया गया है दैट पीपल द ट्रीटमेंट दैट वाज गिवन इट वाज क्वाइट ह्यूमन. ऐसा नहीं था कि इल ट्रीट किया गया या मतलब जो है उनको जो है हार्शली ट्रीट किया गया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. पीपल वर क्वाइट लाइक दे kept human values in mind when they were treating them. ठीक है, when they were interactive with them, या उनके साथ जिस भी तरीके का whatever attitude was adopted by them, that was quite human. Okay, चलिए, now coming to the civil war. अब ये civil war, as I told you, civil war is something, it is a war where when it is when it takes place within the country among the different social groups which are there. Like this Bolsheviks, they ordered for the land redistribution. Russian army, most of the people in the Russian army, they were actually farmers only. So when the Bolsheviks declared for the redistribution of the land, all those soldiers who were from the farmers background or those who were farmer by nature, what they did, they requested to leave the army and go back to their native places. Now these non-Bolshevik socialists, those who were there, the liberals and the supporters of the autocracy, these people they moved to the southern part of the Russia to organize troops and fight the Reds. ये Reds और जो आपके Greens थे, Greens और Whites, like there was categorization. जो Greens थे वो आपके socialist revolutionaries थे, ठीक है, which were supported by the French, British, Americans and the Japanese. Whites जो थे वो आपके pro-Tsarist थे, ठीक है, और जो आपके रेड्स थे वो बोल्शेविक सोशलिस्ट थे जो कि लिबरल्स थे और दे वर द सपोर्टर्स ऑफ द ऑटोक्रेसी. ये क्लियर हुए तीनों कलर्स? इट इज गिवन इन द बुक आल्सो, वो और क्लियर हो जाएगा जब हम पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है. तो दीस ग्रीन्स प्लस व्हाइट्स, दे वर द वंस who controlled most of the Russian empire, right? Now these people, they wanted, because the experiences that they had, it was quite bitter. They are talking about the World War. During the World War, several other events or incidents also took place, like looting became quite common. Like whenever something happens, whenever something goes wrong, people, they try to take undue advantage of that. Like if there are two families fighting, or if two people are fighting, or if two neighborhood if two families are fighting, तो उसका advantage, who takes the advantage? The other people, those who are there. If anybody has grudges against the first or the second family, what they will do? They will try to take advantage of this bitterness that the two families have. तो उसमें क्या होता है, कई बार इन चीजों की वजह से जो हमें losses नहीं होने होते, वो losses भी हमें हो जाते हैं. तो same thing happened during the First World War. लूटिंग हुई, प्लंडरिंग ऑफ द वेल्थ हुई, मतलब लोग जो है चीजें लोगों की लूट के लेके जा रहे थे, विच वाज नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड, ठीक है. और जो फेमाइंस थे, दे बिकेम क्वाइट कॉमन इन दी कंट्री. ये फेमाइंस भी कुछ ऐसे थे, जैसे चाइना में, आप लोगों ने पॉलिटिकल साइंस में पढ़ा होगा आपने कि चाइना, किस तरीके से चाइना में फेमाइन वर क्वाइट कॉमन, दो इट वाज अ कम्युनिस्ट दिस थिंग गवर्नमेंट, बट स्टिल द कंट्री कुड नॉट टेक कंट्रोल ऑफ दैट. बट इंडिया में, जबकि इंडिया इज अ डेमोक्रेसी, यहाँ पे जो है ज्यादा कंट्रोलिंग थी, बिकॉज यहाँ पे द गवर्नमेंट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द पीपल, भाई कुछ भी गलत होता है देन ऑफ कोर्स द गवर्नमेंट हैज टू लूज ऑन द कंट्रोल. इसी वजह से दे आर मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबल. चाइना में बिकॉज इट इज कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी, सिंगल पार्टी रूल है एंड दे आर नॉट आंसरेबल टू एनीवन. तो इसीलिए वहां पे फामाइंस का परसेंटेज ज्यादा था बिकॉज नोबडी लुक्ड इनटू दैट एंड नोबडी वाज देयर टू कंप्लेन फॉर द सेम. तो यहाँ पे भी यही चीज हुआ कि भाई फेमाइंस वगैरह